Hi, I'm Mahima and Pogo. Welcome you back again on our channel Desi Goody UK Witch. I hope you guys are doing well, and after a lot of demand I'm back with the provisional driving license stuff and to tell you how to apply for your provisional driving license. Because I should have told you earlier, but मैं खुद के driving license का wait कर रही थी कि मेरा आ जाए, तो उसके बाद it will be very easy for me to tell you guys after experience like how long it will take, what all things are required, how you have to apply for it. So I was just waiting for it and मेरा आ गया है driving license provisional वाला आ चुका है. So now I'm going to talk about it freely after experience. Okay. So first of all, if you have an international driving license, so you can drive in UK for 1 year. You just have to buy a car, pay for the insurance, all the stuff of money which we pay, and after that you can drive here for 1 year. But after that you have to apply for provisional driving license as well. But if you don't have international driving license, then you have to apply for provisional driving license as well. So for the provisional driving license, the thing is like there is a link which I will be giving in the description box. Just click on that link and directly you will be open to that page, and then you can start filling the form. Filling for the form is very easy. It is like just they are going to ask you your personal detail, where all you have lived, when you are coming in, when you have been in UK as well as before UK where you have lived, and then they will be asking you have you had any experience of driving, and the basic stuff they will be asking you. Once the form is filled, then they will be asking you for a money, and you will be paying around £34 for that. After paying that stuff, they will be sending you one envelope in which they will be sending the form for filling up. The forms look like this. This is not the original form which I am going to show you. This is just a form which I brought from the post office, because in the post office you will get the stuff, but I will talk to you about that later on. So the forms look like this. In the post office form, I'll just show you this in the end. You can just have the clear vision of this. But this form do not have any detail. But the form you receive from the driving agency people, they will be sending you the form which full all details you have filled in the form. Just you have to sign it. You have to paste your photograph, passport size photograph. The passport size photograph we use in India, it's work over here as well. So you can just paste that photograph over there, and you have to give a sign, and then you have to send your BRP letter. Then they will be sending you one envelope inside that. If you want, you can send that one, but I choose the one which is known as number 1 postal service. So in the postal service is directly reach there in 1 day. I use that service because I am going to send my BRP card with that form. So BRP card is one of the very important card which we carry over here. So if it is lost, then band baj jani hai. So I just choose that one, and it reached in 1 day over there. You can just track your application as well. So I just choose that one. The envelope looks like this. They will be giving you in the post office just like this. The envelope looks. I have taken 2 envelopes of this one. The first one in which I have sent my BRP card and the form they have sent me. Later on, the one I have kept in that envelope, and they have sent me this with my BRP card. So in this one I have received my BRP card yesterday only. So I have received my BRP card which I have sent to them with my form. Okay, this is how you apply online when you are applying for provisional driving license. Just simply you have to apply for the form, pay fees, and then they will be sending you the form, and just give a sign, is the postal passport size photograph, send your BRP card, choose the envelope, choose post one service. So it will be easy and it will be good service. Then you can just simply send it, and then they will be returning back to you. I got my provisional driving license after a month. So it took 1 month for me to get my provisional driving license. The provisional driving license they send me is in this one envelope. बहुत बुरा फाड़ा क्योंकि excited हो गई थी बहुत ज़्यादा. But they will be sending in this one, and this is how they send your cards and everything, and this is how you got your provisional driving license. Yay! I got it. Then after that, when you get it, and after 2 days I got my BRP card which I got in this one. This envelope I have sent in the driving license. When they have sent me, they told like it will take 2 weeks for you to get your BRP card, but it just took me 2 days to get my BRP card In the BRP card also they have said like it will take 2 weeks to get your provisional driving license, but I got my provisional driving license before. It happens like people get their provisional license first and then BRP. Some people get BRP first then provisional driving license, so it's just vary from person to person, but it's totally fine. Okay, this is the first way to apply for provisional driving license. Then the second way for applying for provisional driving license is you can go to post office and get one form from the post office. It's just free of cost. You will be getting this big form into it. See, in this one you are going to apply everything which you are going to apply online, in the online form, like your details, your name, surname, date of birth, house number, then how's your eyesight do you require glasses or not, from it's how long you haven't been checked with your eye check has not been done, eye check is not been done. What's your health, do you have any health disease conditions? So these all things will be there in the form. Your proof of identity, so you will be taking for the BRP card, that you are sending BRP card with this form. Then you will be signing a photograph which you are going to paste over here. So these all details you are going to fill in the online form as well. So this is how this online form works when you send it from the post office. It's just simple, like you're going to buy a form. No, it's just free, and then you have to just fill it and you have to send it. But you can do it online as well, just the form they will be sending you, and then you have to return it back with your BRP card to them. So this is how we apply for a provisional driving license over here. It's just not so hectic, I will tell you, because in the starting I was very nervous, like oh god, it's going to take ages, oh god, it's too much stuff I have to do. But it's not like that. It's very easy. Just click on the link, fill the form, pay the fees, you will get the form, just fill it and return it back, and then they will return you back with your provisional driving license. This is how it works. And the next step I just want to tell you is, till the time you don't have your provisional driving license, you cannot apply for the driving test. So make sure, if you are planning to take a driving test, make sure that you have a provisional driving license, because it's require your license number while applying for your test. So make sure that you are having your provisional license. This is how it works over here. This is how driving starts over here. Now I had got my provisional driving license, although I know driving, but here the rules are a bit different. Few things are there which we have to take care, because हमारे इंडिया में तो गाड़ी चल जाती हैगी, but यहाँ पे लोग बहुत ज़्यादा rules से follow करते हैंगे. So let's see. So now I'm planning to take sessions as well. So you can take sessions if you're confident. You can directly go for exams. So first I have to apply for the theory test. When I will be applying for theory test, then again I will let you know that how to apply for theory test, how to apply for provisional tests, and this video I will be continuing later on with this stuff. But in this video just I am covering about the provisional driving license, because many people have asked like how to apply for provisional driving license, or exactly what is provisional driving license. Just a learner license. I'm bluffing. It's just a learner license, and it's just like you have to apply before applying for your theory test. This is how it works. I hope this video has helped you. If it has helped you, please like the button, share it with your friends who need help with the provisional driving license, and if you have any questions, you can catch me on Instagram. You all know Desi Gudi UKVich, and see you guys later in the next video. Looking forward for more queries if you have. Peace and love from my end. Take care everybody.